Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Methodology. Now today's topic is how to construct a 90-degree angle with compass. Now the construction of 90-degree angle with a compass will actually you'll be needing a scale, a compass and obviously a pencil. So first of all, let us have a look at this one, construction of a perpendicular to a given line. Now, whenever you draw a 90 degree to a given line, so there is a matter of perpendicular. What is perpendicular? When two lines intersect each other and forms an angle of 90 degree, then one line is said to be the perpendicular to the other. So whenever we'll draw a 90 degree, we'll have two lines intersecting each other forming an angle of 90 degree. Now, there can be two scenarios. So let us take the first one and we'll take the second one later. So the first one is when the point lies on the line. So you'll be given a question, draw a perpendicular to a given line where the point lies on the line. So let us draw a line of any length because it is not a line segment, so line is infinite. So we'll just take a line of any length. Got it? So we'll name it. So we'll just put two arrows at the end of it and we'll name it as, let's say, A, and we'll name it B. So AB is the required line. Now let's see what you need to do step by step. So when the point lies on the given line, so this is the given line, so we'll take a point here and we'll name it as O. Got it? Now once you have it, let's see what you need to do. So take the compass and take an appropriate radius like I have taken, right? So draw an arc so that it intersects or cut the line at the two ends. Let's see. Got it? So it is intersecting here and here. So let us name them. Right? So we'll name this intersection point as P and this intersection point as Q. So P and Q. Now what you need to do not change the radius that you have drawn this arc. Got it? Now take P as center. So we have taken P as center. So taking P as center, cut the arc. See? Got it? So we'll name it as Y. Take this as center. Again, this as center and cut the arc in another portion like I have done, right? Now take let's name them Y and X. Got it? Now taking Y as center and X as center, draw two arcs intersecting each other. So we'll be drawing an intersecting arc. So we are not changing the radius. We'll be taking this as center and we'll be drawing an arc. We'll take this as center and we'll draw an arc and intersect. See? So let's name this point. So we'll name it as, let's say, D. Now join DO. So take this point and take this point, right? Take this point, be careful, right? Now what we have here, we have a line perpendicular to the given line forming an angle of 90 degree. Now this one is 90 degree. Got it? So this one is 90. So this is the symbol of 90 degree. So what happens is, now we can say DO is perpendicular to the line AB. So DO is perpendicular to AB. AB is the line segment. So let's take the protractor and let's see whether we have done it correct or not. So see, so exactly 90 degree, right? So this is how you will be drawing a 90 degree angle when the point lies on the line. Now let's see if the point lies outside the given line. So this is on the line. So let's see if the point lies outside the given line. So let's again draw a line segment here. So very simple. So draw a line segment here. And obviously we'll name it as maybe A and B. Let's see, A, and we'll name it as B. So AB is the given line, but the point, let's say we'll take a point P which lies outside the given line. So we'll take a point P here. This point P lies outside the given line. Now how to draw a perpendicular which will make a 90 degree here? So we have to draw a 90 degree, plain and simple. Now how to do? So this is a different scenario than this. So what we'll do is, so we'll take this as center, P as center, and take an appropriate radius. So it will be just more than the distance from P to AB. Just take more than that as a radius. Got it? See, so we'll draw an arc cutting the line segment at 2 points. See, got it? So we'll name them as the intersection point. We'll name them as X and this as Y. Got it? So we have X and Y. Now again, take X and Y as the center and draw two arcs intersecting each other like that we have done here. This was above and this will be below. So don't change the radius that we have taken. So here we'll draw an arc. So from X we'll draw another arc intersecting each other. So let us point it, the intersection point. Let's name it as Q. Got it? Now join P and Q. So joining P and Q, be very careful. Take the point P as here and Q as here, and now join it. Got it? So name this intersection point as R. Got it? So let's check. This one will be 90 degree. So let us take the protractor and let us check this. Got it? See, so this is 90 degree. So always check with the protractor, okay? So this one is 90 degree. So we can say that PQ is perpendicular to AB. So these are the two scenarios how to construct a 90 degree angle with a compass. The first scenario is that when the point lies on the line and when the point lies outside the given line. So I have shown you how to draw a 90 degree, how to construct a 90 degree only with the compass and the ruler. Obviously, in future classes we'll see how to draw a 90 degree from the end point of a line. So you'll be given a line segment, and from one point at the end point we'll be drawing a 90 degree. We'll see that in the future classes. Well, that is all for today. Thank you students for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.